Finding out that your girlfriend has been cheating on you can be incredibly difficult. But if it happens to you, try to stay calm. If you can, spend a little time apart before you confront your girlfriend about what happened. That way, your conversation will be less likely to turn into an angry argument. When you're apart, take some time to reflect on how you're feeling and where you want to go from here. For instance, are you ready to end the relationship? Or do you want to try to make it work? If you're interested in working things out, think about what will have to change in order for your relationship to recover. For instance, you might decide that you need your girlfriend to give you a sincere apology, or that you need to set some relationship ground rules together to help prevent something like this from happening again. Once you're ready to talk to your girlfriend, sit down somewhere private where you won't be distracted or interrupted. Let her know how you feel about what happened, but try to focus on your own feelings instead of pointing fingers or making personal attacks. For instance, say something like, "I feel so hurt by what happened between you and Jeremy. I love you and I want to make things work, but it's going to be hard for me to trust you after this." It's also okay to tell her you don't want to continue the relationship. For example, you could say, "I don't think our relationship can really recover from this. It's just too painful. I think it's time to go our separate ways." Whatever you decide, try to look at what happened as an opportunity to learn and grow. For instance, think about red flags you might have missed that you can look out for in future relationships, or things that you could have done to improve communication between you and your girlfriend. Whether you decide to stay together or not, counseling can help you move on with your life and learn how to deal with your feelings in a healthy way. Consider seeing a relationship specialist either by yourself or as a couple. You can also take care of yourself while recovering from the affair by spending time with supportive friends and family, or working on hobbies and projects that are important to you. Since infidelity in a relationship can put you at risk of catching sexually transmitted diseases, make sure to visit your doctor to get tested, and let your girlfriend know if you test positive. Ask her to get tested too, especially if you plan to continue having a relationship with her.